Hello guys, this is Steven. Nice to see you again. Today I would like to introduce you a 4G body worn camera. Okay, this is the box. Okay, you can see it's very tight. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the 1080p 4G body camera. This is the user menu. Okay, let's see. This is the belt clip. Let's see. This is the shoulder clip. This is the base charger. This is the adapter. This is the USB data cable, and this is the disc. It has the management software inside. Let's look at the body camera. Okay, you can see this side. This is the power key, and this is the one press emergency key. Okay, let's look at it. This is for charger. Okay. Yes. Okay. You can see every side of this body camera. It's very tight and smart. Okay. Okay, so let's look at these main features. For this one key emergency button, when you press it, and it will upload to the center the emergency information and this video. Okay, let's see.